Hello students, welcome to DSS online class. I am Sarita Tiwari, your math teacher. As you know, your periodic exams are going to start from 26th of July. This exams will be online. This exam based on MCQ type question. Each question have 4 options. You have to choose the correct option by touching the screen. Because the question paper will be on your mobile screen. So you have to choose the correct option by touching the screen. Before attending the exam, you take a pen and copy with yourself because some questions are be easy which you will find by looking at the option, while for someone you have to solve them. Let's start. Here is question 1. Motorboat travel faster at the speed of 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? The question is, a motorboat travel faster at the speed of 20 km in 1 hour. A motorboat travel 20 km in 1 hour. How far would the motorboat go in 3.5 hours? Means how much distance motorboats does the cover in 3.5 hours? What to do in this question? We have to find distance. When we find the distance, we use the formula of distance. What is the formula of distance? Do you remember the formulas? You should remember. Distance of formula is distance is equal speed into time. Speed 20 km in per hour. How much speed? 20 km in per hour. 20 km multiplied by time. How many time? Go in 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. 20 into, we will simplify it. 2 3 ja 6 and 1 7. 7 upon 2. We will divide 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 and here is 0. 10. 10 into 7 is equal to 70 km. Our correct option is 70 km. Motorboat goes 70 km in 3.5 hours. Option B is correct. You have to choose this option by touching the screen. Okay? Let's start next question. About how many fish in all-wheel machine boat brings in 7 trip if it catch 800 kg in a trip? If a machine boat catch 800 kg in one trip, then how many fish can catch in 7 trips? Let's solve. We will multiply 800 by 7. 807. 7 0 ja 0. 7 0 ja 0. 7 8 ja 56. 5600 kg. The motorboat brings 5600 kg in 7 trips. Where is 5600 kg? In option A, 5600 kg. So you have to choose the correct option A by touching the mobile screen. Next question 3. Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is 1/3 of a right angle? Can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is 1/3 of a right angle. What do you mean right angle? An angle of 90 degree is called right angle. Means right angle means 90 degree. 1/3 of 90 degree. 1/3 into 90 degree. 190 ja 90 upon 3. We will divide 90 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, and here is 0. 30 degree. 30 degree. 1/3 of a right angle means 30 degree angle. Let's start. Next question. A decagon has dash number of sides. Decagon. Decagon is a name of shape. Do you remember the definition of the shape? You should be remember. A decagon means decagon is 10-sided closed figure. Decagon has 10 sides. Decagon has 10 angles. So how many numbers of sides? Decagon has 10 number of sides. Our correct option is 10. You have to choose the correct option by touching the screen. Okay. Here is 70 kilometer, here is 5600 kg, and here is 30 degree. Next question is our complete the formula. Distance is equal to complete the formula. Complete the formula. Distance is equal to, we have to complete this formula. Distance is dash is equal to A, time upon distance, B, speed into time, C, distance upon time. The formula of distance is distance is equal to speed into time. Where is correct option? Here is correct option in B. Speed into time. This is correct option. You have to choose the option B by touching the screen. I hope you all have understood well. If you any doubt, any problem, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. See you again in the next video. Until then, study well. Thank you.